Hello and welcome to this demo of the BoatOn Book. Let's see how to archive and schedule a checkup. To do this, first you need to go to My Checkups. Here you can crystallize all your maintenance and receive automatic alerts about future operations and those about to expire. You can access it anytime via computer or the mobile app on a smartphone. Then you will need to archive an engine service. You need to click on Add Service and Service Perform. This will enter the service into the history but also schedule the next service. Now fill in the various information requested. There are over 200 checkups ready to use. All you have to do is click on the one you want. By doing that, you need to click on a part you can add it to your inventory. Fill in the information requested. Then, all you have to do is filling in checkup date. In the responsible for the maintenance file, you can assign the task to another user such as a supplier or crew member, for example. When you click on Validate, the next maintenance checkup is automatically scheduled. As you can see, the checkup has been created. In My Inventory, you can quickly add parts and equipment in stock, the ones you have used and the number of hours needed to complete the task. You will find here the parts using during the previous maintenance checkup with useful information. As it happens, several items are needed for engine maintenance. Let's look at the procedure to purchase these items from a supplier. To do so, select the items that you want and then click on Order Form. The form is automatically created. A specific information such as serial numbers are already filled in. If you prefer to send an email, simply click on Email. To see your accounting balance in one glance as well as statistics on your expenses and incomes, click on My Budget. All expenses or income saved in another module, example, checkups, are automatically added to your My Budget section. In addition, automatic graphs are created and you can filter your data by dates or by type of expensive or title. For example, you can see the cost linked to the engine maintenance checkups right there. To add an income, all you have to do is click on the plus icon and then add income at the bottom of the page. Then fill in the information requested. Your budget is now up to date. Finally, let's take a look how to access the key figures related to several boats. To view statistics and check their evolution over a period of time, go to My Fleet. You can visualize the entire fleet as well as accounting and maintenance data. By clicking on this drop-down menu, you can quickly access the most important data. For example, select expenses to see the evolution of your costs. The time scale can of course be changed.